Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. This is a winner unboxing. This company, Temu or Temu, Temu, asked me if I would like to do a winner unboxing, to send me this. So they allow me to choose at least 15 items, and it's not very expensive. I made my best effort and have chosen 15 items. So this is number 1. It's a skirt. It's a polyester skirt. Tomorrow we will do an outfit of the day. See how it goes. Polyester long skirt. Okay, number 1. Number 2. Don't worry, all these bags I will be using. This is a lunch bag. I think I go to work with my yogurt all the time, and this seems just right. There are several designs. It's quite it's decent, right? A lunch bag. I'm sorry, you are not seeing the right thing. Okay, this is the lunch bag. This is the skirt, or polyester skirt. And I got a pair of gloves because I use it. This is something like small size, small to medium size. Okay, so this one is latex glove, small, medium size. Oh, this is quite large actually. Latex size. It's a little bit large. Little bit large, but still I can use it. This one. Oh, this is a Velcro. Okay, let's see what we got. We got this one. As I was doing this video, I suddenly realized I forgot to press the record button. So I got 2 of these, and this is for cooking. You can scrape it, you can cut the dough very sharp, and you can measure how much is the butter, and if you roll the dough, you can cut it into the desired width. I am not a cutting one, measuring person, but anyway, it has the measurement in it. And as an art teacher, I use this very often, and I do not use it for cooking. I use it for making a clay project. In class, we do clay. I have a big, large, huge chunk of clay. I cut into small pieces, and each student get one piece of the clay. If they need more, I give more. And they can cut it, measure it, cut it, and make the edge smooth, make the edge very sharp, and also scrape the surface. Ooh, my surface is not so good. Ooh, neat. Wow, this is so good. You can scrape the surface of it and totally clean it up, which is quite good. And the shape and everything is very simple and easy to clean. This is it. And this one is when you do some cooking and it is hot, it's difficult to take it out, then you can use this, hold it like this. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is not a good one. Okay, I have a bowl here. This is not a good one because here there is not an edge here. If you have something else, let me see. Oh, something with an edge. For example, a pot with an edge. This way, you can definitely hold it very well. This way, with a going out, a curving out edge is good. And this bottle, it works, but not so super duper good. I would not suggest use for this. Use a bowl with a curve on the outer edge. So if I make it a little bit better, this is a bowl. You can see there is an edge, and you can easily take it out like that. This is much easier and much more effective, right? With an outer edge. And let's talk about this one. This one is for I make jam, and every time it dégouline partout. But with this will be so much easier, right? For example, this is too big, does not stay. The smaller size goes in, and for a larger bottle, it almost does not need it. It's large enough, but with it, it's even easier. And especially when you do some tea, this way will be good for tea, for flour, for sugar, something that does not move so freely, like water, like a dry bean, right? That will work very well. Okay, now let's see what else. And this one is, do you call it a Velcro or something? It's a tape. You can roll it to this length, and the rest you can cut it out. Press it strong, and it becomes a roll. You can put earphone, you can put headset with many wires. Too messy, you can bind them all together. Chopstick, spoons, anything, right? It's good for collecting things. And family use, you may not need so much. But I'm a teacher, in art classroom, in arts project. This could be used quite oftenly. This one is for boiling 饺子. We have something with wire, the wired one, and it has more capacity to let the water go out. That's the beauty of it. But it damaged the surface of the dumpling, and this one really keep the dumpling in good shape, right? Because it's relatively smooth and there is enough room for water to run out. And on the back is also quite smooth. There is not this extruded punch, and then the other side is rough. This other side is also quite smooth. They have worked on it, and this one is even more comfortable to the surface, to the hand. This one is for cleaning the bottles. So yogurt bottle I do not need. I wear my glove, I can do it. It's small. And this bottle I do not need. I can put my hand in. But some of the bottles I cannot put my hand in. Let me show you some. For example, this one, if I wear glove, it is hard to put my hand in and take it out. So this will become very, very handy to clean it up, right? So this is a bottle cleaner. 2 bottle cleaners, because I try to make up the number of 15. If I do not buy 15, they will not give me this deal. I have to buy 15. Okay, this one is a lunch box. I go to school with my yogurt. So let's see how many I can put in. 1. Maybe 3 bottles, like this. And quite simple design. That is a lunch bag. Let's see what else. And we have a glove. I bought small size. It seems got it wrong. It seems a little bit too large. But but it's okay. I can still use it. It's a little bit too large. Maybe I should buy even smaller one. And this one is luminous tape. It glows in the dark. When it is dark, it shows up. So I am thinking of some night project, or when I walk in the evening, go to swimming pool, put some tape on my clothes. This is a luminous tape. Yeah, luminous tape. Let me see what else we have. Oh yeah, another thing. Look at this. What a beautiful little spoon, and the shape is so cute. Use it to drink, to eat yogurt, to put sugar, to eat cakes. Yeah, it's pretty cute, right? Spoons. Okay, another one is, I think I already took it out. Yes, this is it. Is this self blender? You put drink in and then blend it. It will be noisy, okay? so I can blend some, blend anything. Blend some yogurt with jam, make it into drinking yogurt, or banana smoothie, something like it. And it drains. There is a drainer too before it gets out. This is a drainer. And actually, for some reason, I got 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 of them. Anyway, that's all what I got. You have a beautiful, beautiful evening. Bye-bye, friends. Okay, I do not know if you have seen this. This is a polyester skirt. It's long sleeve and a quite long skirt. We will do an outfit of the day tomorrow and see how it works. Okay? Bye-bye, friends. You have a good evening. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye, bye. Okay, so this is a winner unboxing, so I need to do my part of this video. So you get 30% off if you go through the link under the description of this video. And I have put the code for the 30% discount. Thank you. Please bear with me. Thank you. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye-bye, friend.